Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I want to help you guys out in an issue you might be facing on Steam. So that's when you download games and it gets stuck on 99% or 100% and it doesn't really get completed or get fully downloaded. So what we want you to do, of course, is first to go to your settings. Over on the upper left here, go to Steam and then just click on settings here. I already have it open. So once we are on settings, just go to your downloads page or tab. Just go down here and then you should see clear download cache. So what this will do is to just clear any temporary files that may be in your download stash or cache, and it will clear it out so to prevent any discrepancies on your downloads. So let's try that here. It will reset your Steam and you will need to log in again. So just make sure to do that and then try it out again once you restart Steam. So once restarted, it should work, but if not, let's continue with the next step. So the next step is to go back to your settings here. Just go to storage. As you can see here, here are all the games downloaded or installed on your system. And then just go to the three dots here on the upper right, and then just click on Repair Library. So this will take a little bit longer than when you clear your stash because it will check your whole library if there's any discrepancies in the files or maybe missing files, and then it will download it for you and repair everything. After all of that is done, just click Exit, go to your lower right and make sure to exit your Steam, and also make sure to go to your task manager, check if there's anything open on Steam, and just end those tasks. After all of that is done, make sure to reset your computer as well or restart. And once you have it restarted, then it's all a fresh boot of your Steam and it should now work out. So that is it, guys, and hopefully it works out for you, and have a good day.